here in Cozumel, and that's the wonder of the seas over there, if you can't tell. That thing's a big old ship. It just is. I just don't see myself getting on anything that big, you know? Just think about. And just think about their new ship coming out is bigger than that one. It's crazy. So we're here in Cozumel, and it's gonna be a rainy day today. Looked at the weather and all that kind of stuff, so I think we made the executive decision to stay on the ship. A lot of people getting off, but you know, last week there was actually more people getting off. I don't know, I know you can't tell, but last week there was just seas of people getting off, and this week not so much. I mean, they're slowly pouring off, but I think there's a lot of people like us that sit there and looking at the weather around here. It's like, okay, no sun, you know. And I looked on my on my radar app, my weather, or radar Omega, and there's like more stuff coming this way. So no night you could comb. Kind of disappointed in that, but I'm kind of not at the same time, because we've done it, what, 3 times I think, and it's a solid place, and we enjoy it. But we'll have more chances at it. You know, we go on enough cruises. We come to Cozumel all the time. We'll just we'll just do it again. But instead, we're gonna, you know, let all the people get off the ship and then go enjoy the Havana area today. Just like we've done pretty much all this whole time, and then go find some lunch, breakfast. I'm gonna be some breakfast, and then some lunch, and just enjoy the ship. But enjoying a quiet ship, I should say. But yeah, it's kind of a bummer. The weather's kind of done this, but at least we got Honduras in. And I said this last week in last week's video, I don't know if you remember. It's like, hey, the weather could do whatever it wants the whole time. At least if we have one nice day in Honduras. And we had that. And so I'm not complaining, you know, I'm not complaining at all. We got to ride through a tropical storm, you know, which is kind of cool. And then, and it's not as hot out here. Usually when you're on this side of the ship, the sun is blazing down into the balcony right here, and it's extremely hot, and I can't do a video like this, but so I will take this. And it looks like I saw, I think that was a Carnival breeze. That's, I can't see it now, but it's probably doing the old spinneroonie, but I think the Carnival breeze is coming in. And I think that's all. That's a big old ship, man. Just a big old ship. So I stand corrected. It's not the breeze, it's the horizon. From a distance it looks like the breeze, but there's really not that much difference between the Vista class ships and the Dream class. You know, there's a little bit, obviously, but from the outside looking in, there's, you know, just a few differences. But obviously on the ship it's quite a bit different. But that's the horizon, and we will be on the horizon in December. So can't wait for that. That's going to be out of Miami. And so an 8-day cruise going to like Aruba and Bonaire and places like that. And I'm really looking forward to that, the trip down to Miami and all that. So you can find all that content right here on this channel when we do that. But yeah, it's kind of cool to be our first new ship that we've been on since probably the Vista, because we've been on the Dream a bunch of times. Breeze, Glory, and the Vista. I'm trying to think, that's it. So we've been on the Vista. This is our, what, 4th time? Glory twice, Breeze once, and Dream, gosh, I don't even know. But then that'll be our first ship that we've gone on in a number of years. That's be a new ship to us, not new ship, but new ship to us. And then next year we have the Radiance out of California. So, and then after that we have the Jubilee. So we've got our next 3 cruises that we have booked right now. We may book something else, but our next 3 cruises will be on all new ships for us, at least. Because I know the Radiance is pretty old, but it's new to us. But that's the horizon. We're gonna go eat breakfast. A lot of people still leaving. They should start honking theirs. We're leaving our last port. 2 weeks back to back out here, and I'd actually say we're actually ready to go home. It's been a long 2 weeks. It's felt like a month out here. But we're going to be on that ship in December. We're going to go eat dinner here. Probably after dinner we're going to go, I don't know, go gambling. So gambling. I tell you what, these last 2 cruises here this week and last week actually did pretty decent. I haven't spent a whole lot of time in the casino, but I would say that we definitely broke even. Yeah, broke even, which is a plus. Because in the past, we've donated a lot, that's for sure. So maybe we'll do that. Maybe go to the Havana, go hop in the pool. Tomorrow, though, is not just another sea day. Tomorrow, I am going on, by myself, wife's not interested, on the Behind the Fun tour. That's where you go different parts of the ship, the bridge, just see all the behind the scenes stuff that makes this thing go. So it's one of the things I've always been interested in, especially the bridge. Being a radio guy that I am, I'm interested in the communications and the navigations and all that kind of stuff. So doing that, usually they say that you have to be one of the first on the ship to sign up because they only have like so many spots available. And so since we were doing it back to back, I cheated. So basically, once this cruise officially started, I went to the excursions desk and did that. So I will give you guys. I can't take the camera, can't take my cell phone, so I can't take pictures. So that's unfortunate, but I'll definitely tell you guys all about it. That's for sure. But and then tomorrow I'll be doing the cruise review video, but I'll do this cruise and last week's cruise. So I'll make sure, because I didn't do that for last week's cruise. So I figured I'd knock out both of them, give you guys like the different, because there is a difference between this week and last week, and I'll tell you all about that. But for now, I'm gonna let you guys go. I appreciate you guys watching this video. There goes Cozumel for the last time. We won't be in Cozumel until, gosh, 2025. We got so much other stuff going on. It's hard to believe because we always come to Cozumel. That's the reason why we didn't really, it wasn't a bummer that we didn't do anything, right? It's like, oh, stay on the ship. You go to Cozumel enough times, it's not a big deal. As long as we got to do our thing in Honduras, and that's the thing that I love to do. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching again, and I'm gonna go eat some Mississippi fried catfish. That's what I'm gonna go do. See you guys tomorrow. 73.